This is the Lenovo Thinkplus XT95 Pro. Lenovo Thinkplus is generally regarded as a reliable and respected brand. In the box we get a manual, a Type-C cable, and the transparent charging case with RGB crack lighting effects. The RGB crack lighting effects elevate the charging case to a new level of visual appeal. The combination of vibrant colors and mesmerizing crack patterns creates an attention-grabbing display that is sure to catch the eye. And it has a 300 mAh battery capacity. You can charge your earbuds from 0 to 100% around 3 to 4 times. These earbuds have a 30 mAh battery, which means you can enjoy a playtime of about 3 to 4 hours. Additionally, the 13mm dynamic drivers deliver clear and detailed sound. With the help of Bluetooth 5.1, they are able to transmit a flawless connection. The Lenovo XT95 Pro is also equipped with low latency, which can be triggered by touch control by holding the right earphone for 3 seconds. After playback, the delay is reduced to 60 milliseconds, allowing you to minimize lag while broadcasting or playing online games. The best budget gaming earbuds that you can buy. Check it out under description.